If you're planning to explore the ancient city of Pompeii, don't let your luggage slow you down. Radical Storage offers a convenient and secure way to store your bags while you immerse yourself in history. In this video, I'll explain how you can deposit your luggage at a luggage storage point in Pompeii using Radical Storage, a reliable platform providing fully insured and safe storage options. Radical Storage collaborates with local businesses like hotels, cafes, and shops to ensure your belongings are well protected while you explore Pompeii's attractions. Avoid searching for unreliable storage providers online and use the official Radical Storage website link in the video description to ensure a secure booking. On the Radical Storage platform, just type Pompeii in the search bar to find nearby storage locations. Choose a spot close to popular tourist sites or transportation hubs for your convenience. After selecting your desired drop-off and pickup times, complete your payment using Radical Storage secure system, and your booking is confirmed. You'll receive a reference number and detailed instructions to the storage location. When you arrive, show your reference number to the staff, and they'll safely store your luggage. It's that simple. Now you can freely enjoy Pompeii's ruins and landmarks without worrying about your bags. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.